Ah, let me see. Let me see if I can show you. Say, boy, that motherfucking internet. Say, listen, that motherfucking internet is a motherfucker. Boy, that motherfucking internet is a motherfucker. Now, the internet go how y'all Charleston got pistol whooped in the barbershop. Say, let me just say this. I got a full haircut. Let me just say this. I went live in back of ambulance. To say, no. Yeah, I went live in the back of ambulance, boys and girls. Yeah. They told me everything was content. Everything's content. Wake up and create content. You are a content creator, aren't you? I said, yeah. Yeah, good afternoon, y'all. I thought he would be up. I thought this is what, man, come on now. Well, somebody said, man, well, he still had his chain on. He had the ring on. He got the hospital stuff on. Is he playing? I couldn't help it. I actually had to put them on. All the haters in here trying to look and see. What a fool is it? Beat up. I can't see nothing. Man, let me put blood if you got this. Use the same clothes on, no blood, no. Don't see for yourself, boy. When you get an up close, you get a close personal look. You'll get to see for your own eye. Because them bloggers just going off what I posted. They just going off what I posted. And I posted in back of an ambulance. They don't know if it's true. They don't know. They just took it and ran with it. And the other bloggers just took it and ran with it. They don't know if it's true or not. Nobody knows, because where did it come from?